Hey guys, it's Patrick from A1 Vacuum and Sewing in Reno with an update on what's happening here in the shop. Couple things really quickly. We have been actually abnormally busy in service through the entire month of July so far. This means right now on sewing machines, we're somewhere around 8 to 14 days out on service, although the guys are working really hard. I've got all three guys here basically full time working to catch up on that. Vacuums were roughly 2 to 4 days out on service. And as always, rush fees are available. So if you need something turned around and gotten back to you quickly, we can certainly do that. We've got a number of things happening in the shop. Our fall class schedule is starting to go up on our what I'm now calling our old site. So you guys can basically check that. A couple of classes are going up every week for the fall. Keep your eyes open on that. The other thing too is in the next couple of weeks, our new site will go live. So we'll make an announcement about that when that happens. But we do have a much more robust site that took a look at it today. It's beautiful. It's been updated. It's got some new functionality. We think you guys will be excited about that as well, but that's going to happen in the next couple of weeks. The Anita Good Attic sale is going on for the next 2 weeks or so. We just got a new shipment of items for that, so we have some great finds here in the store. Once again, you get full and minis for 10, large releases for 35, some stuff priced in between. Fantastic stuff and a great opportunity to buy those releases at a fraction of their original cost. Some new products in the store. You guys may have remembered me talking about it in an earlier video, but the Boneco product has arrived. And I'm super excited about the product. A couple things for any of you dealing with heat in your houses. We've got their full line of air shower fans. I don't know if you can hear this, but this fan's moving a ton of air right now. Like the signs are blowing around and stuff like that, but you can barely hear them. Swiss quality, 3-year warranties. The whole idea behind these is mixing of the air in the room. Basically, they're set up to put on a table, put on the floor, in rooms that don't have things like ceiling fans or rooms where your AC is just not working. Last night in my house, I put one of the fans at the bottom of the stairs, blowing the cooler downstairs air into the upstairs, and actually noticed a significant decrease in temperature upstairs. So for those of you who have hot sewing rooms or hot rooms in the houses or something like that, they're a great addition. We've also got these little fans that'll actually plug right into the USB on your sewing machines, on your computers, etc. So anybody who's working in an area where they're by a window and it's hot or something like that, these are fantastic, high quality fans. Barely hear them, and like I said, even the little ones will plug right into your USB port and allow you to do that. Full line of air filters. Roughly half the cost of IQ Air and Austin Air, but same quality. And this product I'm actually most excited about because the two things that we hear about here all the time on the vacuum side is how people have allergies. This is an air purifier, air washer, and humidifier all in one. It's kind of like the iPhone of the air purification world. It's app driven. You can control it from your phone. Your phone basically will tell you what the air quality is and humidifier or humidity air is in the air. You can control all your settings here, control it remotely. And the beauty is you can use it for whatever you need it for. So during the summer, like the last couple of days where things are really humid, if you're suffering from allergies from that pine pollen, you can run it as just a purifier. Through the fall, where things start to dry out a little bit as the temperatures get cooler, you can run it both as an air purifier and a humidifier. And then as you get into the winter, when the pollen count decreases, you can just turn off the air purifier and run it just as a humidifier. That humidifier washes the air as well. It'll pull large pollen particles out of the air. Dishwasher safe, long warranties. Excellent technology. Super excited about it. Come in and check it out. We haven't had air filters in since Simplicity stopped making them. Is there anything else I didn't cover, Jeannie? Looks like I covered just about everything. Come in and see us soon. Oh, also, Shauna's just about to go to B2B, so keep your open eye. The next couple weeks is